In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create salary chart in Microsoft Excel. We'll build a clean, easy to read salary chart that compares employee pay at a glance. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and navigating to the worksheet that contains your salary statement. You don't need a special template, but your data does need to be organized. A good setup is a clear header row with columns such as employee name, basic pay, allowances, deductions, and a final column called net salary. For the chart, we only need the names and the net salary, but having those other columns helps you verify that net salary is calculated correctly. Make sure there are no completely blank rows or columns, and confirm that net salary cells are genuine numbers, not text. If a value aligns to the left or shows a green triangle, fix it by converting it to a number and applying currency formatting. Next, highlight the employee names along with the final net salary column. If those two columns sit side by side, click the first header and drag down to the last row to select the whole range. If they're not adjacent, you can still select them together by first selecting the names column, then holding the control key while selecting the net salary column. For best results, ensure the selection includes the headers. That helps Excel label your chart automatically. With your data selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Recommended Charts. This is a quick way to let Excel suggest visuals that fit your data. In the dialog that opens, you'll see previews. Pick the clustered column chart. It's ideal for comparing salaries across multiple employees because each person appears as a vertical bar, making differences in pay immediately visible. Click OK to insert it. Now let's make the chart clear and professional. Click once on the bars to select the data series, then use chart styles or the format pane to choose a color that's easy to read on your background. Add data labels so the exact salary shows on each bar. You can do this from the Chart Elements button, the small plus icon next to the chart. Finally, click the chart title and type Employee Salary Chart. Consider resizing the chart so labels aren't cramped, and check that the vertical axis uses an appropriate scale for your highest and lowest salaries. That's it. You've created a polished salary chart in Excel that's ready for reports, presentations, or quick reviews. Save your workbook and you're done.